Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Sesame AI. First, open your web browser and go to the official Sesame AI websites by typing sesameai.im in the address bar. Now, when the page loads, click on the Try Now button in the center of the page to try out the demo version of the AI. Then, you'll see a few virtual characters like Maya or Miles. Now, click on any character you want to chat with. When the character loads, you can either type your message in the chat box or speak using your microphone if it's allowed by your browser. Now start chatting. You can ask questions, practice conversations in English, or just talk for fun. The AI will reply to you in real time with both voice and text. If you want more features, like using Sesame AI for business or app, go back to the homepage and click sign up to create an account. Then, after sign up, you can access the API keys and documentation to integrate Sesame AI into your own platform like websites or apps. Now, you're ready to explore what Sesame AI can do, whether for learning, chatting, or building tools with AI. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.